Shebig.net was formed in 2006 by David Hill and me, Beverly Johnson. We raised $60,000 from 14 investors, including ourselves. That, along with a Connect Maine grant of $75,000, got us started. We enlisted Mainly Wired to provide us with bandwidth, equipment, and engineering and technical assistance. By 2008, we had 5 T1 lines, as well as 125 happy customers. Technology changed, and it became evident that we needed higher speeds and more reliable connections. We received another $75,000 Connect Maine matching grant and began transitioning to DSL in 2012. Shebig's DSL starts here at Back Bay Towers in Portland, Maine. GWI provides us with 35 megabits of bandwidth and over 300 IP addresses that are delivered to the top of this building. Axiom Technologies then takes that bandwidth and sends it across the bay to Sam and Sally Ballard's home, a distance of about 8 miles. It travels across the bay and arrives at the receiving equipment at Sam and Sally Ballard's house. We used to send the signal on 8 pairs of copper telephone lines, which limited us to 10 megabits at the DSLAM. But thanks to a $43,000 added investment, Tilson Technologies upgraded the line to fiber optics. We are now able to get the full 35 megabits of bandwidth to the DSLAM and add more if necessary. The 35 megabits of bandwidth are tied into our AdTran equipment box. Each household is assigned a slot on this distribution center. These individual subscriber lines are then sent over to the connection box, where Cornerstone Communication has made 300 links that will eventually go over to Fairpoint. From this box, each individual pair of lines continues over to the Fairpoint telephone building. Fairpoint then takes over the business of getting the internet to each house. A single pair of copper leaves the telephone building and goes all the way to a subscriber's home, where they will receive our internet. We are providing bandwidth to over 230 customers on Shebig. This chart shows the bandwidth usage on the island and how it changed when we went from copper telephone pairs to the fiber from the Ballards to the DSLAM. You can see here how usage increased as we went from 10 megabits in July of 2013 to 35 megabits in June of 2014. We are now utilizing all our bandwidth. Fairpoint has run out of facilities for a number of homes on the West End. The copper to some homes is just inadequate to handle decent bandwidth. High-speed internet is vital for the sustainability of Shebig Island and all of Maine.